You want to try this experiment? Yes. You will hit the plate. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Hello.
Hi.
We have today another experiment, an interesting one. Okay?
Okay.
Now we have eggs. We have this one. Okay, and we have plates and a cup full of water. Okay? Now what will happen? Now put this like this and the egg here. Okay? Now we will learn the principle of inertia. Okay? Okay. Then when I apply force to this plate, I'm gonna kick like this. This egg, what will happen to it? It will fly. It will go there. What will happen?
It will fall.
We will see. That's because inertia. Because it is at rest. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Stand there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand there. Come on. Okay. 1, 2. Wow! What happened? Is it broke?
No.
Is it break?
No.
Shall we try again?
Yes.
Again?
Okay.
This is the principle of inertia because this is at rest and this is we have motion on this. This is at rest. We apply force on to this one. This will stay at rest. Okay, because the force we didn't apply force to this one. Okay, yeah. You want to try?
Yes.
Okay, you want to try a strong, like I did. Yeah. You broke it. It's okay. Okay. Another one. Yeah. Okay. You wanna hit here, only here, like this, strongly. Yeah. Yeah! Now another experiment with 2 cups. This is more difficult. More difficult. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
We're gonna eat egg tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, stand here. Stand here. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2. Yeah! Yay! Okay, yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.